Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Tammy, and today we're gonna make zucchini, fried zucchini. The garden is coming in, and let me show you. These are called coco zells. This is like a normal size zucchini, okay? This is where I like to pick them. The seeds aren't too big. It just works out for all kinds of dishes. This is what happens when you miss a day, or like me, you can't see anymore and the leaves are all in the way and they turn into monsters. This one I will take the seeds out of, you know, because they're pretty big. It's not that they're hard or tough. It's just that the zucchini itself is still so good. It's not any different meat-wise than this one. It's just that the seeds get a lot bigger. But yeah, that's a little much. Okay, just like any other batter fried vegetable or anything, all you need is some flour, which I put in a bag to make it so much easier. 2 eggs, a cup of milk, some salt, some pepper, and your zucchini, as many as you want to fry. Okay, now you want your grease good and hot. So we're gonna start that first. Let that grease get good and hot. But now y'all know, if you've watched our channel any at all, I use lard. I don't use any vegetable, canola, sunflower, safflower. I don't use any of that stuff, okay? I use lard, but it's your kitchen, your rules. Okay, while our grease is getting hot, we're gonna cut these up. And I'm gonna make as small a medallion as I can. Because Randy, the thinner they are, the better he likes them. Me, I like them thick and chunky. But he's the one that asked for them. So we're gonna do them really, really thin. If you have a mandolin, that would be great. And I do have a mandolin, but I hate dragging the thing out and I hate cleaning it. It's just as easy to do it by hand. And y'all, that is a lot of zucchini. But he'll eat it. I'm gonna tell you, he loves that stuff. He will eat it. Or I will eat it too, but I won't eat near as much as he does. Okay, now I'm gonna set my zucchini aside. Get my little mixing bowl. Get my 2 eggs. Drop my eggs. Okay, and I'm gonna give them just a little mix, just to get the process started. And then I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk. And get that good and combined. And then I'm gonna add some pepper to it, and I'm just gonna shake it. I'm not, just whatever amount you like. Same thing with the salt. I'm gonna put quite a bit because I got a lot of zucchini there. And I want some of that salt and pepper to stick to it somewhere. All right, there's that. Now what I'm gonna do is just right there on that cutting board, I'm just gonna send some salt across the top. It's not gonna get through to all of them, but when I put it in that flour and we shake it all around, then that salt will get kind of dispersed. So everything will have nice salt and pepper on the batter. All right. In we go, just a few at a time. There we go. Into our egg and milk mixture. And then we're gonna drop them nice and wet into that bag. And I have about, I don't know, 2.5 cups of flour in the bag. I don't know, I keep it in the fridge and I just keep filling it. I'll close it up, give it a good shake. And then we're gonna bring it over to the stove and put them right on in. And you need to make sure that your grease is good and hot, but you can see it is. They started bubbling as soon as they hit. That's what you need. If you don't, they'll be soggy. And then don't overcrowd. Just put as many as you think will get in there and not like stick to one another. Probably 7 or 8 this size, maybe a little more. And I think I can get that little one in there. There we go. Yep. Okay, same thing again. We're gonna just drop them into that into the milk egg mixture. Make sure they're like apart. Sometimes they'll stick back together. But you want to make sure they're wet, good and wet on both sides. Drop them right back in there. And really, paper bags work the best, but you know, like I said, there's very few places that you can get paper bags anymore, so Ziplocs work. All right, they're nice and golden brown and pretty. We're gonna take them out, lay them on some paper towel to dry. You know, just not most, you know, get some of that excess flour off. You don't want to ruin your grease. I just kind of bang it on the side of the bag before I take it out. There's really no taste test required. This is I love it. Please make these for me because I find them to be such a pain in the butt that I do.
I don't know what's so hard about it. You've seen how she made it, right?
They're not hard, but it's time consuming. Y'all know.
Yeah.
Y'all know I like quick and easy, and they are not. They are easy, or they're not quick.
One thing you didn't get to see was Tammy, how she made her horseradish sauce. Well, she already had some made up, but we got a video on it. If you want to watch it, it'll be at the end of this clip.
Yeah, we've been eating this pretty regular. I mean, everything's coming in, the squash, the zucchini, and I'm every day trying to find something different to do with them. And so far, so good, but he's probably had fried squash at least 4 times in the last 2 weeks.
This is my third.
Okay, 3rd time, see?
Look at all that fried squash.
Out of 1 zucchini, out of 1.
That's a meal in itself.
Yeah, it is. It really is.
We're out of here, or I'm out.
Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one. Bye.